beautiful rosy glowing skin and also release your facial muscles. One amazing technique is acupuncture or acupressure. And today I will show you a couple of techniques you can follow along right away with me to release the tension in your face by only using your fingers. And before we start, I just wanted to let you know why that is. So blood is restricted in that area for the seconds you're holding and pressing in, and afterwards blood is flowing into that area right there and can be rejuvenated. Also, when you're pressing certain muscles for a longer period of time, or like for a couple of seconds longer than, for example, like 20 to 30 seconds, then the muscle at some point releases and you release the tension. And this is an amazing way to really rejuvenate your skin from anywhere where you are in the world. It's super easy. So without further ado, let's start. Make sure your hands are clean, your face is clean. You do not even necessarily need to moisturize your face because we do not use any glide or slip for facial massage. We will really work on certain points on our face to release the tension. Make sure the pressure is medium and not too strong. You should never cause any discomfort. Breathe evenly through holding the poses, and make sure your shoulders are relaxed and your chest is open. This is really important, especially the breathing. Do not hold your breath and just feel relaxed while holding the point without causing any discomfort. Sometimes you will feel a little bit of tension and slight pain. A little bit is okay, but too much we do not want. So without further ado, let's start. how do you feel? How does your face feel? If you do that regularly, you not only increase blood circulation and release the tension in your muscles, but also you gain awareness over your face, and you also take a little bit of time throughout the day to really have a little bit of me time, because it also centers you, because you're like aware of what you're pressing, you are present in the moment, and this is the most important. If you want to learn more techniques which are even more potent in combination with facial exercises and massages, make sure to check out the program or the 21-day challenge at allyoucanface.com, and there you will be able to learn every day all kinds of new techniques, learn the newest innovation in the field of facial exercises, massages, or so-called face yoga. So I can't wait to see you there. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can be here for longer, and I can also share free videos more often. And with that being said, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, mwah.